So let's start with two important concepts of success. First is why, which contribute 90% to your success. If your reason of starting anything is clear, then success is sure. Next is how, which contributes only 10% to your success. Most people do mistake as they focus on how rather than why. So now I will talk about the 21st century business opportunity. Everybody is looking for the opportunity that can help to get the financial freedom, time freedom, boss free, and legacy in life with less investment. So many people from different professional background like engineer, doctor, IAS, etc. are doing this business and they are successfully building this business. Yes, if we build this with principle, it really going to work. Let's know something about business. This business is international, tension-free, home-based business. Why international? As this globally expanded. Tension-free, this required no investment and can be built without disturbing the current source of income. Home-based, this can be start from home itself. Business, by doing this, we can earn profit. Famous businessman cum author Robert Kiyosaki divide the population in four quadrants. Left quadrant is employee and self-employed. People whose income depend on them only. If in future, if they are unable to go for work, their income stops. 95% of world population comes in the quadrant, in this quadrant, but only with 5% of wealth. Now right quadrant is having 5% of population and with 95% of wealth. They are having an asset of network which makes them financial freedom. Their income not only depend on them but also on network of people like Tata, Ambani, Facebook, Google, etc. All are having asset of network of people. What is money? Money is the product of rate and time. Here, a rate is your education, experience, etc., which is limited. Now, time everybody knows it's 24 hours limited. Okay, when both are limited, then money is also limited. Okay, rate cannot be changed, but the time can be unlimited if we apply time multiplication method. Okay, time multiplication method. For example, if 10,000 people are working 10 hours per day for Ambani, so total is 1 lakh hours per day he is working. If we build the network, time can be multiplied. If time is unlimited, then your money is unlimited. Now, what is traditional business? Here, manufacturer manufactured the product in 30 to 40% and earn his profit. Product reaches to customer through a channel and they had to pay 100% price. The rest money are distributed in the channel. If we see, the richest person are belong to this channel only. Nowadays, online shopping like Flipkart, Amazon are doing the same. See how much profit they are earning. They don't have their production, but by building the bridge between the manufacturer and the customer, they are rich. What consumer or customer are getting, who are very much important in any field like software, automation, shopping mall. Without customer, this business will not go well. Okay, but they earn no profit. There is no profit for customer. Okay, here we as a consumer doing the business for others. As the human tendency, okay, if we like the product, maybe a Honda bike or anything, we started recommending to others. In this way, we are doing the business for others. Let's talk about 21st century trend which already doing well in outside country. So what is this? Here consumer as prosumer, getting the product direct from manufacturer, avoiding the channel. Okay, here prosumer are getting the product direct from the manufacturer. There is no channel as the earlier. So the money distributed earlier in the channel is now prosumer is getting. So here only by changing your mindset, learning the present trends and be the prosumer, we can earn like Ola, Uber, Oyo, Flipkart, Amazon, etc. So which company is giving the opportunity to be the prosumer? Prosumer means using the product, also getting the profit. The company is the number one direct selling company in the world, that Amway. So let's discuss some points on Amway. The company Amway was founded in 1959 by J. Van Andel and Richard DeVos. More than 1000 patents and 10,000 plus products worldwide. Has its own team of 100 plus scientists across 6 continents with a presence in more than 100 plus countries and territories. Its global turnover is 8.4 billion USD dollar. Next, let's know what is Amway India. Amway India started in 1998. Invested rupees 600 crores to establish new manufacturing facility in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. 150 plus products, 2000 plus crore turnover and much more targets in next coming year. LEED Gold standard manufacturing facility. Next I'll discuss about the products of Amway. We are having huge range of product. We are having number 1 health and supplements selling Nutralite. We are having home care, personal care and lots more product. All the product comes with highly concentrated formula and BioQuest formula. All are eco-friendly product. Also Amway products comes with 100% money back and satisfaction guarantee within 30 days from the days of purchase. So here what you need to do? First, the sponsor who introduced the opportunity to you and helps in every step to build your business. You will register to Amway. You will get the license in free to do the business. It also gives free product training and give the power to use and promote products and also to build your own organization. BWW, our education system. This provides you books, CDs, arrange function, provide team supports and help you to expand your organization globally. You can join Amway as Amway preferred customer, Amway direct retailer and Amway direct seller. What you can get from this business? Money, time, health, positivity environment, you can do charity, family, national and international trip. Now I will tell you what are Amway income opportunities. First, retail margin. Retail margin, which is the difference between MRP and the buyer price. Buyer price is the price with which you buy the product, okay, after discount. Next is trading discount. It will be sent to your account after purchasing your product. Next is sales commission. Slowly business turnover, which is PV, written over here. So 1 PV is equal to rupees 100. When turnover increases, your PIN increases like 3%, 6%, etc. With your PIN increases, your commission increases. Okay. If anybody buys the product from you, then you will get customer sales incentives that varies from 10% to 1% as per the turnover. Now I will show average income of pins. When you achieve 21% pin means 10,000 PV, your business turnover is 10,000 PV, you will be called as silver producer. If you continue as silver for 6 months, you will become platinum producer. Income is written over here. The platinum producer income is mentioned here. Okay. If you continue as silver for 6 months with 3 teams, you will become emerald producer. Then with 6 teams, you will be diamond, where you can enjoy lots of benefits from Amway. Next, I will show some of our diamond leaders enjoying their life with choices. First, Sumit and Tanya Bahadur. They both are from engineering background. Sumit, he is a IIT gold medalist, went to USA for his higher studies in scholarship. They both are doing a good reputed job in USA, in MNC company in USA. They both come back to India to do this business, and now they are having a huge organization globally. Next, Sugit and Kajal Azmani. Sugit, he is an electronic engineer from IIT, and Kajal, she is from MBA background. They both are doing this business successfully. Anurag and Nidhi Agrawal, they both started their business as a student, and their business is now successfully growing worldwide. Ankur and Taru Gupta. Ankur is an electrical engineer from IIT. Taru Gupta, she is from MBA, and they both are helping others to achieve their dream, and they are successful in this business. Next, Kanti and Lata Gala, scientist and administrative director of nuclear medicine. Kanti is scientist and Lata Gala administrative director of nuclear medicine. Next, Mita and R.K. Mahanti. They are from Odisha. R.K. Mahanti, he is from electrical background, electrical engineer background. Mita, she is a homemaker and doing this business. Dharmendra and Meenakshi Rana. Dharmendra, he is electronic engineer, and Meenakshi Rana, master in computer management. And they have successfully built this business. Dr. Manoj Mahapatra and Dr. Jayashree Rathar. Dr. Manoj Mahapatra, he is MD in internal medicine, and Jayashree Rathar, she is MBBS ultrasonologist. Next comes Geeta Devi and Sandeep Chauhan. Sandeep Chauhan, he is a traditional businessman, and Geeta Devi, she is a homemaker. So, these are all galaxy leaders doing the business globally and living a significant life, a life with choices. So, I hope I can make you clear what actually is this, what a powerful business, who are doing this. Many more things are there to know. It will be slowly known. For this, you need to attend certain meetings, reading some books of BWW, and listen series of experience of the successful leaders, which will be provided after joining. This business free to build. No boss will be there. This will be your business so you can build the way you want. In the association with BWW and with Principal, you also can have a huge business globally. Thank you for watching, friends. This business is 21st century sensation. Please look over this carefully. For any questions, any queries, you can contact me.